now we can create like infinite number of the cubes and the stairs. But like for example, if you only can create like 10 or 20, something like that. So that's like the ammunition system usually in the game. So let's do that. In here, we're going to create some the numbers. So let's create public int, which is max. Well, I'll say just ammunition. So max ammo, private is current ammo. And also, we want to check like the if I can say that we want to check the when the ammunition is coming down. So when the number is coming down, so is firing is very game word, but rather than firing, maybe is generating. And we also want to show in the screen, your screen. So we want to make a text ammo display. And here we need we deleted start before, void start before, but for now we need a start. Well, in here is, very simple thing is current ammo equal to max ammo. And then we also can, of course, because it is public, so we can change it later, but I would like to start with a 10. And then how we're going to show the text on the screen is, well, I'm going to write the script first, and then I'll show you how to do it in Unity as well. So here, ammo display dot text equal to current ammo. Bring this one to string. String is a text in Unity. So here, to do this, we can bring the text to the Unity. And every time when you, where is it? Now it started to be confusing. Every time when you click the buttons, you may want to, current ammo is going down, minus. This means actually it is like this. It is like the current ammo equal to like going to -1 every time. I think I showed it this before, like in the for loop as well. So minus, and every time when you delete the object, you may want to, like, you can think about, you can collect it again. So you want to make increase. And then here, well, to do this, anyway, it's going to create infinitely, like it goes to like minus numbers as well. So here, compare tag, new cube, and this means and inside of the if state. So if current ammo, only if, current ammo is more than 10, 0 here as well. And here, only, current ammo is smaller than max ammo. So you cannot collect more than max ammo. And here, wait. Yeah, for now, that's it. And you can save it. And then when you go to the Unity, let's go to the canvas over here and right click, create the UI, and text. And then when you see my, wow, this script here, ammo display is a text. So here, oops. And then anyway, you'll see your text here, new text. But anyway, let's bring your play script, just attach this text to here. So now it's going to automatically show the number of the current ammo for now. So even though it's for now, it's just showing the new text. We can, we might want to show that like they are underneath of the screen, the bottom part of the screen. So to do that, this is the margin of the things of the text and to the UIs. So while clicking the text, when you shift click this one, you can stick like this, and yeah, maybe it's too small, so I'd like to increase the size 30, and maybe bold like this. But maybe we also want to add some, not to confuse, I'll change this one to cross here, and then I'm going to create one more image. We want to bring it to background. We want to use it background of the text. So like this. But as you can see, you cannot, I mean, it is overlaid with the text. In Unity, it's very different sequence. If it is down, if it is bottom of the other hierarchy, it goes up. So let's bring it to the upside of the text. So it go underneath background of the text. So let's say, and that's it. I want to bring it down. And I'm going to create one more text. Here, I'm going to type left geometry, for example. And because it doesn't look good, oops. I'm going to make it a bit larger. Since she's going to be only like just small numbers, so even though it shows like just this small part, it's totally fine. Like this. For now, I'll just say like, not to confuse, yeah, max 100 is fine. In this case, I'd like to align to left so we can stick with this part. All right, it's 100 is for now just placeholder, and yeah, maybe you want to show it like with the different color, maybe. Yeah, something like orange-ish color. So when you play this, the number over here is directly changed to 10 because in the script I said max ammo is 10. If I say 50, well, it cannot change right now. It should change before you start the game. So now it's like just 10. And then when you play it, when you shoot it, yeah, I think I'll make it bigger to show easily. So yeah, the number is reducing, and after, well, okay, it also should, wait, it goes down. So in this case, we also want to add That's why. It's funny that I said the if state and then I put these things in outside of the if state. So we can do it like this. And when you play it, left geometry is only 10, and after you create 10, you cannot create anymore, but you can collect the cubes. And yeah, of course. So if you say it's, for example, let's say 20. So also, I mean, for now, I say they count both, but I'm sure that I mean, later you can change, you can separate the both each prefabs. But anyway, for now they only can create in total 20. So and you can collect them. If you need more cubes, I'm going to delete some stairs and change the animation. Something like this. Yeah. I'm going to delete this one, and so I can just bring it up. And yeah, that's it for the now. But however, after, I mean, before we move on to the